Welcome to episode 3 of Think in English, the podcast. I'm Lily, and today we're diving into the fun world of English for coffee shops, restaurants, and small talk. Imagine sipping a warm coffee at a cafe, ordering a tasty meal, or chatting with someone new. These easy phrases will help you sound confident and make every moment feel natural. Whether you're learning English to enjoy a night out, meet new people, or just order your favorite drink, this episode is packed with tools to help you shine. We'll use the shadowing technique, where you listen to us say short phrases slowly and repeat them out loud to practice your speaking. Just pause when you need to and say the words. It's like copying our voices to sound awesome. Ready for a tasty adventure? Don't be shy. Drop a comment below and share a story about a time you used English in a cafe, restaurant, or small talk, like when it went great or totally flopped. Writing about today's topic is a fantastic way to boost your English skills. And if you love this, join us for more by subscribing to our channel.
Ben, hey everyone, let's get started. I'm Ben and I'm super excited for this episode. I teach English and I know talking in cafes or restaurants can feel tricky, but we're gonna make it fun and easy. So grab a snack, get comfy, and let's dive in. Share your stories about using English in a cafe or chat in the comments. Don't hold back. Talking about today's topic helps you get better at English. And subscribe to our channel to keep learning with us. Lily, let's get this coffee shop vibe going.
Totally, Ben. Picture this. You're at a cozy coffee shop. The smell of fresh coffee fills the air, baristas are calling out orders, and you want to order a drink or start a quick chat with the person next to you. What do you say? A nervous, coffee might not work, but simple phrases can make you sound confident and warm. Ben, what's a phrase you use at a coffee shop?
Good one, Lily. If I'm at a coffee shop, I'd say, "Hi, can I have a latte, please?" It's short, polite, and clear. Or if I'm chatting with someone, I'd say, "Nice place, isn't it?" to start small talk. Let's try a simple phrase for everyone to shadow. "Hi, can I have a latte, please?" Now you try it.
Love that. I'd say, hello, do you have tea? It's easy and works at any cafe. Hello, do you have tea? The trick is to say it clearly with a smile. It makes the barista happy to help. I remember my first time ordering in English at a cafe in Canada. I was so nervous. I said, want coffee? And the barista looked puzzled. But then I tried, can I have a coffee, please? With a smile, and she was so nice. It felt like I cracked a code.
I've been there. I was at a cafe in Italy, totally confused by the menu. I mumbled something weird and the barista just stared. But then I said, "Can I have this, please?" pointing at a pastry, and it worked perfectly. "Can I have this, please?" What's another one you use, Lily?
I love, thank you. It looks great. It's polite and makes the server feel good. Thank you. It looks great. When I said that at a restaurant, the waiter smiled and brought me extra bread. It's like a magic phrase.
Awesome. For small talk, I'd say, "Hey, how's your day going?" It's a friendly way to start a chat. "How's your day going?" I used it at a cafe, and the person next to me started talking about their favorite drinks.
Nice. At a restaurant, I'd say, can you make it quick, please? If I'm in a hurry. Can you make it quick, please? I used it at a busy diner, and the server nodded and got my food out fast.
Cool. If I need something, I'd say, "Excuse me, can I have more water?" It's polite and clear. "Excuse me, can I have more water?" It worked at a restaurant when my glass was empty and the waiter was super helpful.
Totally. And for small talk, try, the weather's nice today, isn't it? It's an easy way to keep a chat going. The weather's nice today, isn't it? I said it to someone at a cafe and we ended up talking for 10 minutes.
Yeah, these phrases are like conversation starters. But what if you're nervous? I do a quick trick. Breathe in for 4 seconds. Breathe out for 4 seconds. Want to try, Lily?
Let's do it. Breathes deeply. Wow, I feel so calm. Okay, let's pretend we're at a busy coffee shop. My turn. Hi, can I have a cappuccino, please? And do you have any muffins? Hi, can I have a cappuccino, please? And do you have any muffins? Your turn, Ben.
All right. Hey, can I get an iced coffee, please? And is there a menu? Hey, can I get an iced coffee, please? And is there a menu? Everyone, try your own coffee shop phrase now.
That was so fun, Ben. But let's talk about mistakes. Some people say, give me coffee. But it's better to say, can I have a coffee, please? It's more polite.
Yeah, or saying, huh, when you don't hear. Try, I'm sorry, can you repeat that? It sounds nicer. Let's practice some key phrases. Hello. Can I have this, please? Thank you. Excuse me. How's your day going?
Perfect. And different places need different phrases. At a coffee shop, I'd say, can I have a latte, please? But at a restaurant, I'd say, can I see the menu, please?
Right. I'd say, nice to see you, for small talk with a friend, but can you make it quick at a fast food place? I messed up once in Spain. I said, coffee now, and the barista looked shocked. But I tried, can I have a coffee, please? And he was all smiles.
I had that in Japan. I said, food, please, and got a weird look. But when I said, can I have this dish, please? The waiter was so kind. Let's try a restaurant phrase. Can I see the menu, please?
Sweet. Mine, excuse me, can I have the bill, please? Excuse me, can I have the bill, please? Practice these daily like when you're brushing your teeth.
Yep. Let's talk about fun words. Order means asking for food or drinks, like ordering a coffee.
And small talk means short, friendly chats about simple things like the weather.
Cool words. Polite means being kind, like saying please and thank you.
And not polite is rude or sharp. You want to sound polite.
Let's play a game. What's a great phrase at a coffee shop?
Hi, can I have an espresso, please? Hi, can I have an espresso, please?
Love that. For a restaurant?
Can I have this pizza, please? Can I have this pizza, please?
Awesome. Now, everyone, try this. Record a phrase you'd use at a cafe or in small talk and share it in the comments. Don't be shy. Writing about today's topic really helps your English grow.
Totally. Sharing your cafe or chat stories is such a fun way to practice and meet others.
Let's talk about quick phrases for small talk. What's one you use, Ben?
I'd say, hey, this place is cool, right? Hey, this place is cool, right? Your turn, Lily.
Okay. Hi, do you come here often? Hi, do you come here often? Everyone, make your own small talk phrase. To feel confident, say to yourself, I can talk in English.
And imagine the other person smiling back.
If you mess up, just laugh and say, oops, let me try again.
That makes you sound cool. Practice these. I'm ready to speak. I sound awesome. I'm confident.
Different phrases for different places. Coffee shop. Can I have a coffee, please? Can I have a coffee, please?
Restaurant. Can I have the bill, please? Can I have the bill, please? Small talk. The weather's nice today, isn't it? The weather's nice today, isn't it? Cafe counter. Do you have any pastries? Do you have any pastries?
Add a smile when you say it.
Your accent, it's perfect. Just speak clearly.
Clear words are better than perfect words.
Story. My friend was nervous but used, "Can I have a coffee?" at a cafe. The barista loved his effort and gave him a free cookie.
So cool. Let's try some places to use phrases.
Cafe. Hi, can I have a mocha, please? Hi, can I have a mocha, please?
Sure, here you go. Want a pastry? Sure, here you go. Want a pastry?
Yes, please. How much is it? Yes, please. How much is it?
$4 total. Enjoy. $4 total. Enjoy.
Thanks. This place is great. Thanks. This place is great. Glad you like it.
Practice this to feel confident. Ways to learn. Listen to people who speak English, like us.
Watch videos or use apps like Duolingo.
Find friends to practice at cafes or online groups.
Don't be scared. Start by saying hello to your dog.
Hey, buddy, can I have a treat?
Then try with friends, then strangers.
Story. My friend was shy but practiced, "Can I have a coffee?" at a cafe. Now she chats with everyone and feels so confident.
You can do it. Say these. I'm ready. I sound awesome. I can talk to anyone.
Try this. Use one phrase at a cafe or in small talk this week and tell us in the comments. Don't be shy. Writing about today's topic makes your English better.
That's it for episode 3. We had a blast with coffee shop, restaurant, and small talk phrases to help you speak.
Hope you're excited to try them out.
Thanks for joining Think in English, the podcast. Share your coffee shop or small talk stories in the comments. Don't hold back because talking about today's topic is a great way to improve your English.
And join us for more by subscribing to our channel. We can't wait to see you again.
Catch you later.
Bye.